Looking for a perfect Christmas dessert? Let's allow our taste buds to embark on a festive journey, where sweetness meets minty freshness. If your heart says yes, then buckle up, my dear friends, because, well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're introducing you to Christmas Peppermint Bark Brownies, a treat that'll make your taste buds dance. Imagine biting into a rich chocolatey brownie infused with a hint of peppermint, capturing the essence of the holiday season. Ready to whip up this holiday delight? To make these brownies, you'll need some common kitchen staples and a few special ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Next, grab a cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 4 large eggs. For the special touch, we'll use 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract and a cup of crushed peppermint candy canes. To top it all off, we'll need 6 ounces of white chocolate. Got all that? Great, now it's time to bake. First, preheat your oven and prep your baking pan. Now, let's get to the fun part. Combine your dry ingredients, flour, cocoa powder, and salt, and set aside. In another bowl, mix together melted butter, sugar, and vanilla extract. Add eggs one at a time, ensuring they're well incorporated after each addition. Gradually add in your dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Pour this batter into your prepared pan and bake until a toothpick comes out with a few crumbs. While your brownies cool, melt white chocolate and stir in crushed peppermints. Spread this luscious peppermint bark over your cooled brownies. Let it set, then cut into squares. And voila! You've just made some delicious Christmas peppermint bark brownies. Enjoyed learning how to make these festive brownies? Your support means the world to us. Staying connected ensures you don't miss out on our mouthwatering recipes. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep these sweet treats coming. Happy baking and Merry Christmas!